Gihatagan og pagtagad ni U.S. Ambassador to the Philippines, Marykay Carlson, ang Kamahinungdanon sa press freedom dihang personal nga mibisita sa GMA Network. Nakikita ang ambassador kang GMA Network Chairman and CEO Attorney Felipe L. Gozon, GMA Executive President and Chief Financial Officer Felipe S. Yalo, GMA Senior Vice President for Entertainment Group Lilibeth Razonable, First Vice President, Head of GMA Regional TV and Synergy, and Acting Head for GMA Integrated News, Oliver Victor Amoroso, Vice President and Head of Corporate Affairs and Communications, Angela Javier Cruz. Giila ni Attorney Gozon ang maayong relasyon sa Pilipinas ug mismo sa GMA Network ug sa Estados Unidos.
We are committed as a democratic society in the United States and here in the Philippines to free press. So in that regard, I want to say thank you to everyone here for the work that you do to get information to the public that is accurate and that is free of bias.
The relationship between the Philippines and the Filipinos and the American government and the Americans have been nothing short of rosy and harmonious. In fact, the evidence of that is we have so many Filipinos in the United States.